Hello, thank you for tuning in to the Wheeler Detailers YouTube channel. In this video we're going to do some deep cleaning of child seats and we're going to finish with some serious protection as well, so this child seat stays cleaner for longer. Child seats get really dirty, not only with rests of cakes and cookies that go here inside of this perforated fabric, but also very dirty seat belts. We can see here as well some dirt, probably some rests of speeksel which runs out of your mouth when you're sleeping. Max will type in the word here in English for you. You see some stains and discolorization here. Discolorization we cannot fix, but stains we should be able to fix here, here and here. The back seems quite alright. And here we see some dirt, some rests of chocolate, and here as well. But when we tilt the cover, can you see the discolorization and the brownish effect there? I think somebody did a poo-poo there. As well as here on the foam part. There's also heaps of sand in there. Here as well. Enough stuff to work on. So my tools for today: a bucket filled with a little bit of clean water and a mid-slide, Crystal Clear APC cleaner, and then 1 to 10 diluted in this dilution bottle, a softer brush, a harder nylon brush, and a Tornador Cleaning Gun. So let's start. We're going to try to bring this child seat back into mint condition. Let's go. So, one clean child seat again. As you could have seen in the video, it took quite some time and some effort to come to this result. So the headrest was a little bit dirty here on the sides. Probably the kid was drilling when sleeping, so a lot of speeksel rest or whatever that means in English were there. So we completely folded it open so we could have it from every angle as clean as possible. So also we turn the sides to make sure all the stains and the debris goes out of the upholstery. Now this was also a very dirty part. Probably see the yellowish brownish finish before, which is completely gone on this section, so it's completely clean. Again, as well here there was a lot of sand and debris in there. The belts are completely clean again. Those were very dirty, but now they're pretty good from both sides. We could have seen here some stains before, some chocolate cookie or whatever kind of stains. Those are completely gone. That brings me back to the front bed. We're gonna leave this one overnight, and then tomorrow we come back for the protection part. So, day 2. Protecting with something that might be coming soon to the D-Con range. First gonna mask off all the parts that we do not want to protect. Like in this case, all the frame material and the hard plastics as we see here. Before we start, we're going to make a before shot. I'm going to do it on the side because you know it's now still unprotected. So I've got some water here in this bottle, just pure water. Cool. So I taped off everything with masking tape before applying the protectant. To apply the protectant, I'm also going to use the microfiber wedge, which is partly scrub, but also partly microfiber. And that's going to help me to rub it into the fibers of the fabric that we see here. So this is the product. We didn't name it yet, so it's a textile protector, textile sealant. On all the fabric parts. It's sticky. Yeah. Can you touch my hand? How does it feel?
Yeah,
Yeah, so this is the sticky material. This is why I taped off and masked off the rest. So here we go. And I'm gonna use this one to scrub it into the fibers. Because only spraying and drying is just not enough. You need to agitate it a little bit and make sure everything is agitated and getting into the fibers of the upholstery. And to speed it up, we're gonna use some compressed air to dry it, and then we're gonna do a second layer. Let me put a little bit of water on my hands because it's clinging everywhere. So let me get some compressed air and give it a first dry before we're going to apply the second layer. And it's more or less dry enough for your hand. So we're going to apply a second layer, same as before. Rub it in to the fibers of the fabric / upholstery. So I'm gonna leave this one to cure for 2 hours, and then we're gonna come back and make some afters, and as well check how the water repellency would go, especially on the spot where we did the test before. I don't know if it's this side or this side, but yeah, see you guys and girls in the next shot. So welcome back. I'm very curious to see the results of the textile sealant, the Textile Protector. So we did some befores here. How would this go? That's different, eh? Instead of the water soaking in, the water stays there. That's nice. Works really good. I've been testing this formula already for a longer time. Oh, I better do it like this. Works really good. Let me put the towel under there. Let me get a drying towel. That's maybe even better. Pretty good. How would it actually function on, let's say, the seat belt? Stay there on top. I'm not sure if you can catch this on camera. Not bad at all on a woven fabric like this. Very well protected. So if a car comes in for a detail job, then often focusing on child seats is not the coolest thing to do. It's not PPF and it's not ceramic coating, so it's nothing really like hardcore. But I'm 100% sure that a lot of parents are very happy if you would offer this service to them. And I would estimate cleaning of deep cleaning like we did yesterday would cost you estimated 30 to 45 minutes. And then you can actually leave it to dry overnight and then apply minimum 2 layers of the textile sealant. And that's pretty much you're done. I would estimate with, let's say, 1 hour and 15 minutes maximum. You're gonna make some people very, very happy with this. I think it brings a nice added value, and I'm 100% sure that people that order a detail job with you, they are very happy and willing to purchase an extra service if they carry child seats in the back of the car. So maybe a good tip for your interior detail jobs to also focus on child seats. And it brings for you some extra money in the bank. And yeah, customers happy and smiling, and often they come back for more. So I hope this video guides you and helps you in the process on how to clean and protect child seats. If you got some questions, let us know. So if you'd like to know a little bit more about interior protection and also very detailed floor mat protection, then you might want to check this video as well. Thank you all for watching this video. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.